Today I welcome Arman from US. We completed his procedure today. He's going to talk about his finasteride journey with us today.
So I started on finasteride when I was 24 years old. I'm 49 years old. So I've been on the drug for quite some time, for over 25 years at this point. You know, truthfully, you can't really see much of a difference as far as, you know, the dexterity of the hair, the texture of it. I certainly did not lose any additional hair. You know, so there was no further baldness that I had to encounter being on finasteride all those years. And it didn't have any negative effects as well. And I know that that's not the same for everybody. But the one thing that I always tell people that might have adverse effects to finasteride is that if you do have a side effect, then you can just get off of it, right? If you get off of it, everything is going to reverse. You're not putting yourself in harm's way by taking the drug, right? And then there's also different means that you can take it too. You don't have to take it orally, you can take it topically, right? So there's things that you can do from that standpoint as well, whether it's you know, supplements that are in your stack, multivitamins, you know, just different things that you're doing from a dietary perspective, from, you know, exercise, fasting, you know, making sure that you fast, even things like just making sure that your circadian clock is in rhythm and you're getting the right amount of sleep
At
you know?
correct time.
Correct, exactly. You know, so you know, all of these things are a factor, and it's about creating that balance, right?
I would say Arman is a very big wellness freak. He does intermittent fasting every day, 3 days absolute fasting in a month, and I think you do the infrared phototherapy also, which has some anti-aging effects. And what else do you do? You do the cold therapies also?
So the cold therapy, I do sauna therapy.
Yeah.
You know, and again, I'll make sure that there's certain things that I'm doing to de-stress.
Correct.
Because I think just the stress in life also creates a lot of negative things that happen in the body, right? Making sure that you also have a plant-based diet, so it's not just about intermittent fasting and then eating whatever you want. You can have a keto diet, a plant-based diet, things that are going to promote markers in the body for you know, basically fighting off all the toxins that you have and flushing those out, right?
Yeah, it's a learning for people who are taking the finasteride, but they have an unhealthy lifestyle, they don't take a proper diet, and they don't sleep well. Those who smoke a lot, they take a lot of alcohol. So bad lifestyle may play some role, in spite of taking finasteride, in acceleration of your hair loss, acceleration of the baldness. Right. So yeah, that is also one point we should take a holistic approach for the baldness and hair loss, rather than focusing just on the hair transplant or just the finasteride.
Yeah. You know, it's been an incredible experience at Eugenix. I thank you, Dr. Erica, for everything that you've done.
And thank you for enlightening us about the holistic approach. I think I will also be advocating more of that in my patients from now onwards.
For all that you've done for me and my journey, that was a very long, drawn-out journey from you know, mid-20s up until this point.
Correct. So for me, it is very rare to find people who have such a big scientific bent of mind, who go to the PubMed and search for Cochrane reviews, search for meta-analysis, look for the actual science about each and everything that we do. And that really plays a big role in taking the things forward.
Correct.
Forward in our life, forward in science itself. So yes, you have practically inculcated all those things and applied in your life, and that is giving you fabulous changes. So if you look at his picture when he was 25 versus his picture now, it looks absolutely the same. You can't make out any difference whatsoever.
And I thank you for that, because now that my hair is where I want it to be, you know.
So now you are going
you're helping my cause, right? You're helping my cause a lot more, right?
Yeah, so now you're going back to 20 rather than being at 25.
I appreciate it.